In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Adobe Express link. By the end, you'll know how to generate a clean, view-only URL for your design, plus a couple of useful options that help you control how others interact with your work. Start inside Adobe Express. Head to your stuff, then choose Projects to see everything you've been working on. Open the specific design you want to share. It's best to make sure any last-minute tweaks are saved so the shared version reflects exactly what you want others to see. Once your project is open in the editor, look toward the top of the screen for the Share button and click it. This opens a sharing panel with different ways to distribute your work. For this walkthrough, choose the option labeled View Only Link. This creates a simple link that lets people view your project in their browser without giving them access to your editor. It's ideal for quick reviews, status updates, and sharing a finished result without the risk of unintentional edits. Before you generate the link, review the link options. If you want people to be able to remix your design, meaning they can use your project as a starting point or template, turn on Allow Others to Remix. Keep this off if you want your design to remain strictly viewable and not used as a base for new versions. On Teams or Enterprise plans, you'll also see an option to require a password for the link. This is helpful when you're sharing sensitive content or want an extra layer of control. Set a strong password and keep it only with the people who need access. When your options look right, click Create Link. Adobe Express will generate a shareable URL. This may take a moment, especially for larger projects with images or multiple pages. When the link is ready, click Copy Link. Now you can paste it wherever you prefer to share: email, chat, your project tracker, or a message to your team. Include any context your viewers might need, such as why you're sharing it and whether remixing is allowed or a password is required. That's all there is to it. Open your project from your stuff, click Share, choose View Only Link, set whether remixing is allowed, and if available, whether a password is required, then create and copy the link to send. With these steps, you keep full control over how your design is seen and used, while making it fast and simple for others to view your work.